So there's several ways to make these frames. You can staple them with a half crown, 1.5 staple, one in the bottom, 2 in the top, and glue them. Then you can put 4 bobby pins on each side. That'll hold the foundation in. Or you can drive 2 nails, 3/8, run your fishing string cross corner, use 2 bobby pins, and that kind of will hold the foundation in. Or you can put 3 bobby pins and just nail the bottoms in, which takes a lot longer, and go with that. Or you can just use the fishing string on both sides and pull it tight as you can get it, until it's like a banjo string, and twist them around the nail, nail them in, cut the end off with a pair of cutters, not a knife. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.